Welcome to Social Meet's first edition of Social Meet's fake news, but probably the news we would all want to hear one day. Stay tuned and keep watching. In a shocking turn of events that has perplexed most of the fitness experts around the world, it was reported that all those people who joined the gym or started working out a month ago are reportedly achieving their goals yesterday. In other words, those people who wanted to gain some weight are actually gaining that weight in a very short time. Also, very importantly, for those who wanted to lose that weight are losing in a very short time. Scientists are still trying to find some answers. However, it certainly has made a lot of people feel motivated and very, very happy. Surprising move by major corporations, heavy discounts were announced across major platforms around the world. Mango 15, a $1 trillion smartphone company, is being sold at a cost 70% less than it should have been. The CEO of Mango 15 stated that the company suddenly has realized that all these years they were robbing customers of their hard-earned money, and now it is time to give back. Surprisingly, the response of public to buy Mango 15 has been more or less the same. It certainly looks like the public are not crazy anymore about smartphones and internet. The survey shows they'd rather meet and greet each other physically. Our next report may make most travelers very, very happy. In a summit meeting held yesterday at a very undisclosed location, world leaders announced that there will not be any more visa applications if you wish to visit another country. All you need is a passport. Yes, you heard that right. However, the catch is that if you wish to visit any country, you cannot stay there permanently. This is to encourage people to contribute and employ their skills in their native country than employ their skills somewhere else. Major organizations as well as public forums and groups have showed mixed reactions. Some are happy and some are very much unhappy with this move. Moving on to more interesting news, and if you're a Beatles fan, then probably you've heard of the song All We Need Is Love, and the reason I am stating this at this moment is because of a strange phenomenon, and based on the data collected by I Propose to You and PleaseSayYes.com, it was reported that those people who registered with the dating website a month ago are reportedly being swiped right by their respective prospects. Yes, you heard me right, they are being swiped right. Well, the CEO of the company stated that there is no glitch. It has confirmed that the app is working perfectly fine, and all is fair in love and war, as quoted by him as well. As a result, the share price of I Propose to You, PleaseSayYes.com has soared to new heights. Next, we have news from a very special corner of the world, that is Shillong, Meghalaya, India. As it is reported that restaurants in this beautiful hill station are packing the leftover stock of their daily allotment of food and are being distributed across the city to everyone who is hungry. And yes, all of this is done without charging a single money. This is to encourage reduction of waste of food supplies and materials, and also to ensure that no one sleeps hungry in Shillong. The world can definitely learn a thing or two from the restaurant owners of Shillong. Before we end today's edition of Social Meet's fake news, we leave you with some of the footage from our only real news. It is something that had not happened before, at least not in my lifetime. Shillong, India and its adjoining areas experienced a white pre-Christmas weather on the 22nd and the 23rd of December 2021, as hail and snow covered most parts of the city. Pictures and celebrations galore, despite the cold, as this may not happen again. But we all know climate change is real. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.